To create a new pad collection, go to direct debit collections, click new, create direct debit collections, enter a from due date to due date, partner type, select company or person as appropriate, and select the bank account number and click OK. Click OK on the confirmation screen. Click on the number to open the collections. If there were any errors, the system is going to list them on the info box on the right side. Please go ahead and fix them. Once all the errors are resolved, you should be able to export the direct debit file. To do that, click on Export Direct Debit File. Click Yes on the pop-up page. Now you can see a file has been generated. Once the file is generated, the line status would change to File Created. Now, in case if any of the lines get rejected by the bank, you can simply highlight the line and click on Reject Entry. Click Yes to confirm. Now you could see the status has changed to Rejected. Likewise, you could change the status of every line, and once everything is finalized, you could simply go ahead and post the payment receipts. Set the general journal template, the general journal batch, and click OK to post the entries. Click OK. Now you could see all the lines which had the status file created has got posted, except the line which was rejected. In order to close the entire direct debit collection, simply need to close collections. Once you close the collection, you will not be able to generate any more files from that particular collection batch. Click Yes to confirm. So the collection has been closed. Go back to the list of the direct debit collections. You would see the batch has been closed.